Hello there everyone. So in this video we're going to be unboxing this ZTE Tempo X from Boost Mobile. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. So here we have it. This one is from Boost Mobile, ZTE Tempo X. It's a 4G LTE Android smartphone with no service or contract. Boost Mobile logo here on the side. Down here we have the basic information on the phone with the serial number, some warning information here, and some other basic information. And then here on the top, just the Boost Mobile logo. And then here on the back, it goes over some of the features. It has a 5-inch touchscreen, 14.7 hour talk time, 5 megapixel camera, 2200 mAh battery, and 8 gigabytes of storage. Let's go ahead and open up the box now. Looks like it has some adhesive sealer here on the back side. So I'm going to pull this part off first. Alright, so here we have the phone. Let's take it out the box. So yeah, this is the phone right here. Pretty basic looking ZTE phone. Let's put it to the side and go over everything else. Here's the battery. It's a 2200 mAh lithium battery. Here we have the wall charger plug. Basic wall charger plug, 5 volts. And the micro USB cable, just a standard USB cable here. Let's put that to the side. And looks like this doesn't come with any manuals. Let's put that to the side. Let's remove the battery. We're going to have a slight opening on the bottom here. We're going to pull up on it to remove the back cover. Here we can install the SIM card and SD card. And here we have the serial and IMEI of the phone. Place the battery in. Here we have the front screen. Let's remove this plastic. So it's a 5-inch touchscreen here. Just with the basic ZTE buttons at the bottom. Here we're going to have the 3.5 millimeter jack, the charging port, and the microphone hole. So here we're going to have the slight opening here to remove the back cover, the power button, and the volume rocker. On the top, we're just going to have a small hole here for the microphone for when you're on videos, recording videos, or video calls. Just a plain side here. And here on the back, we have the flash and the rear camera, the ZTE logo in the middle, and on the bottom, we have small holes for the loudspeaker. Let's go ahead and power the phone on now. So now that we have the phone on, we're going to go ahead and go through all these steps to get it activated. Alright, so the phone finally got it activated. Let's go ahead and check the phone out now. So swiping down the top, we have notifications bar here and quick settings. If you swipe it down, you have more settings. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go ahead and check the dial pad, see how this looks. So here's the ZTE dial pad. Not too big, not too small, basic dial pad. Let's check out the keyboard. Okay, so here is the basic keyboard for the phone, so you can have a good feel on what it looks like. Let's go ahead and check out the cameras. So yeah, here's the main camera of the phone. And here we have the selfie camera. Hey there, what's up everyone? All right, and so here we have a couple filters to choose from that the phone comes with. Here we have the flash on and off option. Here we have HDR mode on and off. Here we have a timer that we can set the phone and choose a timer for it to take a picture. And then here we have a couple extra options. We have panoramic photos, we have multi-exposure photos, and time-lapse, so we can shoot videos in slow motion. Let's check out multi-exposure, see what this is. So a couple different settings here to choose from as well. Looks like you can take photos with a capture photo and then change the background to it. Here we have collage photos where we can take two photos and it puts them together into just one. And then here we have this extra option here where we can move around this little yellow square around the screen, and it will actually give it more light wherever you place it, and wherever you place the green one, it will autofocus into it. Okay, so taking a look at the settings here, we have a couple different resolutions to choose from. Geotagging, the shutter time. So a couple different settings here to choose from with the camera. Let's check out the storage. So this one comes with 8 gigabytes of storage. And the memory, it comes with 1 gigabyte of memory RAM. Let's check out YouTube, see what the quality of the imaging and sound is.
Let me holler at you for a second. Uno de nosotros es de barrio fino, un tipo muy real. The big boss.
All right, so very nice quality there for the videos and sound for a $39.99 phone. So let's go over the features and specs once again. This phone has a 5-inch touchscreen, so the battery has a talk time of up to 14.7 hours. The main camera is a 5 megapixel camera, while the front selfie camera is 2 megapixels. So it's running Android. It has 8 gigabytes of storage space and 1 gigabyte of RAM. This phone costs about $39.99 at most stores and is available, as far as I know, for Boost Mobile and Virgin Mobile. You might want to consider this phone if you're looking for a less expensive phone, as it has a lot of great features and the price is only about 40 bucks. Alright guys, that is it for this video, and I'll see you around in the next one. Take care and peace.